Hello, my 3D printer peeps. I'm here with the Bambu Lab H2D, and today we are going to talk about printing while drying. Using an AMS2 Pro, you may dry your filament and print at the same time. There is, however, one trade-off. The AMS2 Pro will dry at a lower temperature while printing compared to standalone drying. The reasoning is to avoid softening the filament while printing, which could lead to jams. Let's go ahead and go over how to do it. Starting drying is quite simple. Simply touch the screen, touch the tool icon, touch AMS drying, choose the AMS you would like to dry, enter your parameters, and press Start. Do not check Rotate Spool while drying. Press Start. You will hear a series of clicks and the faint sound of the heater fan. In the past, the machine would complain that you didn't remove the filament from the AMS before initiating drying. This no longer happens because we are now able to initiate a print while drying. With drying operating, simply press Home and send a print from Bambu Studio like normal. Let's do that now. Of course, you may also start the heat here in Bambu Studio on the Device tab, here in the AMS section, right here on this pop-up. With the drying underway, slice your model and send it off to the printer as normal. You will see, without interrupting the drying process, Bambu Studio sends the print to the H2D, and the H2D accepts the print and begins the process. With the AMS2 drying in process, you will see the H2D has accepted the print job and started working. Your AMS2 Pro is drying and your H2D is printing at the same time. I'm Mr. Greg, and you're on 3D Rundown.